Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Captain here, back with another interesting update about the upcoming Motorola. Motorola is working on a new phone with upcoming new style. There is a lots of people who hear about the upcoming Motorola phones. Once a driving force in the Android smartphone space, Motorola as a market share has steadily declined over the past couple of years in both mid-range and the premium smartphone segment. The Lenovo owned this company so far has failed to thwart the rise of the Chinese smartphone makers such as Huawei and the Xiaomi on a global scale. One thing that has not changed over all these years through is Motorola creative flair, with the company always ready to explore a unique design and experiment with existing hardware to create new use cases. Last year, Motorola was one of the first OEM to bring the 21:9 aspect ratio to the mid-range segment with its Moto One Vision smartphone. While on the Moto One Action and Moto G8 Plus, we saw the company fitting the GoPro style action camera allow users to shoot landscape video while comfortably holding the device vertically in one hand. Now, as per new leak, Motorola will continue to experiment with some new concept, at least from them in 2020 as well. Yesterday, a reportedly leaked star hinted at a brand new Motorola device called H Plus, supposedly high-end, heading to Verizon. Today, the very same source posted a render of the mysterious Motorola handset, and it's yet unknown whether this is the H Plus or completely different smart from the upcoming Motorola smartphone. To our surprise, the phone come equipped with a stylish. That's something we have not seen from the Motorola for some time now. The render reveal as fairly thin side bezel is a chin that a bit on the thick side and a punch hole camera in the upper left corner. As you can see, this is the render look of the Motorola upcoming smartphone. Well, it's the H Plus or not. Once again, it could be the H Plus, but there are no evidence to support that for now. Even Blas explicitly said that there is no way to tell that this is the rumored high-end Motorola from yesterday. All we can do is wait and see how to unreveal and whether this stylish equipment phone can go against the recently announced Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which is the really great smartphone in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy's Note lineup. Consumers looking for a smartphone with a stylus functionality have only two choices at the moment: the Samsung Galaxy Note lineup and the LG Stylus series. But if this leak is true, we believe it, the new Moto phone may emerge as a third viable option, a near stock Android phone with a stylus. Indeed, it sounds like an existing proportion, but with the key detail of the phone unknown at this stage. It will be too early to pass any judgment, with MWC 2020 kicking off next month. Hopefully, we won't have to wait too long to learn more about this new device of the Motorola. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and let me know your thought in the comment section. Are you waiting of this upcoming Motorola phone or not? I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.